the gutter, but I left my lover. What an expensive fate.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Lhidhia, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to my video today, boo. So I've missed you guys so much. It's been a week, and trust me, I've been itching to film, but I've gotten so used to doing talk-through tutorials that I've refused to record with generating sets, and the light supply last week was just terrible. But I'm glad to be back now filming, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a soft glam look, you know, to make you look like a baby girl this 2020. And also I'm going to be teaching you guys my highly requested faux freckles tutorial, where I show you how I achieve faux freckles, and it's so perfect because now I don't have false nails on, so you'll be able to see what I'm doing exactly and be able to follow through. So if you'd like to see what look I come up with in the soft glam department, and also how to achieve faux freckles, please keep on watching guys, and give me a thumbs up in case you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel, it will mean the world to me. And yeah, let's get into the video. So to start off this look, I think this is an okay position, or do you guys want to come in more? Okay, I heard you. Come, don't be shy, come. So for primer, I'm using my Hydrate from OMARICODE. This is like a moisturizer and a primer all in one. Like you can see that this has been used because of how much I love it, and it's just a very sticky moisturizer and primer base. You want to make sure your skin looks very hydrated and very supple, so that is what I'm doing. And guys, this hair is from Fabulosity Hair on Instagram. I did a video. It's a wig, it's a full lace wig, and don't even get me started on how good it looks on me. Like, I've gotten compliments in person, online. You should definitely try them out. For my foundation, I'll be using my NUBAN Beauty in My Skin foundation, and this is in the shade Michelle Obama. So I'm just going to go ahead and start on one side. This makeup is similar to that one I did for 10 minutes. All these breakouts on my face, ignore it. I started working out and I didn't know that the sweat that comes on the face, like when you work out, you have to like clean it off properly immediately or wash it off or something. If not, it's going to cause breakouts. Well, I've been breaking out, and I was trying to figure out like what was making me break out, but then I figured out that it was that. So I started treating it and, you know, going to the gym with wipes and all of that. So it's definitely getting better. It was so terrible last weekend, especially on this my forehead area here. And this one is period pimple. So this foundation, like if you've not seen my review on it, you should better go and watch that review. Because so for concealer, I'll be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Guys, I actually filmed a top products of 2019 video, but things happened and I wasn't able to post it in December. I don't know if you guys still want to see it. This concealer made it to that list, definitely. So if you want to still see that video, please let me know and I'll edit it and post it. I just feel like it's outdated, you know. But of course, if you want to see it, just let me know. I'm going to go into powder, and I'm going to be using this one from HUDA Beauty, and it's in the shade Blondie. I just can't wait to get to the freckle part. Like, I know that is what most of you are waiting for. Well, this is also a soft glam tutorial, so, and you want to be very light-handed everything you're doing when it comes to soft glam. Like, I'm not even going to do like a contour. I'm just going to use my Fenty bronzer, and I'm tapping off the powder excess here. So I like to leave this center of the nose for a bit, because let it just show that I highlighted. I'm using Fenty Beauty MOCHA MAMI. I started taking boxing classes, guys, so I cannot have long nails while boxing. That's why I don't have nails. But I'm trying to see if I can schedule it for a time of the month, you know, so that the other time when I'm not going for it, I can have nails on. Because trust me, I've been feeling like I'm so naked without my nails. I've grown to get so used to them. Let me dust this off. See how that bronzer is just adding warmth to the side of my face. I want to do like an in-depth nose contour for like when I really want a snatch nose. I want to do that tutorial for you guys, but you have to let me know if you want to see it as well, because like trust me, I don't even use cream a lot to contour anymore, and my contour comes out bomb. I'm going into blush, and I'm going to be using these two colors here. What I like about this look I'm showing you guys is how fresh it is. Like, it just makes you look like very youthful. I'm doing that thing where you bring blush to your nose here, so I'm just doing that there. I think it's so cute. let me tone it down a bit, of course, So for my brows, I'm going to be using, okay, before doing my brows, I'm going to do like a very ASAP. Give me soft glam palette, please. So for my brows, I'm going to be brows, okay. For my eyes, I know I've not done my brows because that's going to be my last. It's going to be so simple. But I'm going to be using Rustic here, and I'm just going to put that in my crease, that's all. And then I'm going to do liner. Guys, so for liner, I'm using my Nose Cosmetics liner. Don't worry, I've not forgotten about my brows. I'll show you guys how I do it very sharp. I'm thinking of doing like a Valentine series. So let me know if you guys want to see that and what videos you'd like to see. I want to do more sit down talk through videos on my channel this year. So let me know. Okay, coating my lashes. So how I'm doing my brows is I'm using this very tiny brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and just fill in the places I feel like needs it the most, and also give myself a shape. So that's all I'm doing. Like literally. And please, there's something I'm seeing on Instagram that you people are doing. I don't know, the brows look like you finish drawing plaster black and then you now put lines in it. Stop it, in Jesus' name, in this 2020, please. Okay, if the person does not have hair, try to make your strokes as tiny as possible so it mimics hair. Like, that thing is to mimic hair, not for us to see that you clearly put concealer on top the pencil that you have already drawn. In Jesus' name, I beg you. Say amen. Have you said amen? Thank you very much. I'm just going to go ahead and brush through the hair. Like, see how easy it was. And I feel this fits, like, I don't know, it's not super defined, you know, it's just very like bushy and nice. So to do my I'm just going to just clean up just here, and that's it. And I'm going to be using Fawn concealer. That's what I'll be using to clean there up. I'm not even going to bother take it out of the brush, out of the container. Like, that's how easy this is, guys. So I'm just blending this out, like, that's all. Like, you don't need so much on this part of your face with brows. So guys, for lashes in a bit, this is what we're going to be using. Is from Glam ADDICT lashes. It's the style Swanky, and I talked about it in my haul when I showed you guys what I got for Black Friday and stuff. So while my lash glue is drying, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. And lips, I'm going to be using this one from Zaron. It's called Buttercup. Literally my favorite nude from them. So I'm going to go into La Peach as my highlighter, and with this look I barely would want any highlighter on my face. So I just actually like to just dust it off. I've done this look quite some time, and this is like my new soft glam look, so sharing it with you guys. So for the freckles part, I know you guys have been waiting for that. So these points, I just want to show you guys. You see all these points that have like pimples and stuff, like I turn it to beauty spots instantly. So that's the first step. Like, just gently, of course, if you have a lot of pimple on your face, it doesn't make sense to have a lot of beauty spots on your face, so do it with sense, okay? So I'm just going to do that. And if your pimple is sore and it's bringing out pores, please don't put eyeliner inside. You can say it's me that sent you. Once it's still sealed, just do that and it will look really good. Trust me, like, this is how I camouflage them. Wow, you just want to go and spoil my face. I'm going to be using my gel line, my brow gel. This is the brown one, and I'm using a tiny brush. Freckles happen as a result of sun on the face on a particular point. So you see people that have freckles, they have it on the center of their nose, like the highest point where the sun hits it the most, like center of the face. You rarely would see it on the sides of the face, and they're usually very like subtle. I've seen a few of you try to do this online and it looks very scary. Trust me, those are not how freckles look. So after this tutorial, I'm not going to be happy with you if I see you doing those things again, okay? So what I'm going to show you guys is you want to maintain some sort of homogeneity, like making it look like it's there, they're all one, but then they are different in their oneness, if that makes sense. So they're all different sizes and shapes, because that's how it actually is. They're not all the same circle naturally. So I'm going to start off with this, and I'm just going to put it on the center of my nose. So now that I've gotten like major points there, I'm going to take more of this. I've already put Duraline in it, so I'm just going to put that all over here, like dots on my hands, like so it looks something like that. And then I'm just going to use that to clear around, like just tap on your face. Don't be afraid to go over it more than once, because that's what's going to give you that naturalness. Like, it's not supposed to be so visible, but it's supposed to be visible. You dot it at different intervals. Let some be more than the other ones, and take your time with this process. So you want to do this as much as possible until you're okay with it, and I feel it looks very natural now. I'm not even going to do so much more to it. So there you have it, guys. Feel free. I use my Hygge and Esther gel pomade, but you can use pretty much anything you have. I've even used powder stuff for people that are a bit fairer when they request for it. And yeah, that's the finished look. I would have used setting spray, but I don't know where it is. That's the finished look, guys. So you can zoom out now so you can round up the tutorial. So guys, that completes the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this simple soft glam look. A lot of you complained, not a lot of people, a few of you complained about the last one that was too, I don't know why I'm doing this, but a few of you complained the last time that it was too much for you guys. So I hope this is a lot more easy, and I feel it's very soft and flattering. Like, you could wear this for a date, you wear this to the movies, wear this anywhere pretty much, and you'll be slaying. I want you guys to slay this 2020, okay? If you have any more video requests, please leave them down below and leave me a comment telling me what you thought of this look. I really want to hear what you guys thought about this look. Please leave me a comment down below. And was the freckle tutorial easy to follow through? Would you be trying it? Let me know as well. Give me a thumbs up in case you enjoyed this video. Like, it really helped my channel and to mean the world to me. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. We are growing, we're really close to, I wouldn't say we're really close because it's 7.5k, but miracles do happen. We're close to 10k, and I really love to get to 10k as soon as I can. So you could make that happen, just subscribe. And without so much more rambling, I'm going to see you lovelies in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye. Mwah.